Hindi. Ah, okay po. Sige po. Salamat. Magbayad ka muna dyan. Ay, sige po. Thank you so much. Dito lang pala din kami. Ay, dito po kami. Makakadala po kami dito. Magkano po? 120 na bigay mo. Ito po. Thank you po. Kung hindi pa natin nakita yung SNR, no? Lapit nga lang din naman. Thank you po. Ayan, so dito na kami. Papunta na po kami doon. Buti na lang nakita natin yung SNR doon. Kaya naman. Ayan, doon. Ayan, dito na kami. Ayun, ang Padrepilo. Punta tayo doon. Ito na naman, sa likod lang siya ng kusina. Ayan, dito yung entrance. Ayan, dito po yung entrance. Ayan, dito po tayo papasok. Dito po kayo dito sa Padrepilo. First time po rin kong pumunta dito. Hindi din po namin alam na dito pala. Sumakay po kami yung jeep kaninang paraan. Marikina. Pala. Kasi po natin alam na ito tayo naglagay dito ng grocery. Bibili kayo. Para ikaw naman ang kukuha niya. Hindi, nakabibili. Pauwi na po kami Ano tayo? Kakain na daw kami. Yung halaman na pampasko. Ano kayang tinatanim dyan? Ito may pinuputol baka kaya. Paano po tinatanim yan yung pinuputol? Yung ganyan? Ah talaga, pahingi po kami. Oo nga. Eh kaso, hindi sakto kasi uwi na kami ng ano. Sige, isa pa. Oo, dagdagan pa natin. Hindi, tatlo pa. Thank you kuya. Pwede na dalawa mabubuhay na gano'n? Ay, ito nabubuhay na agad dito? Sige po, dalawa. Tingnan mo, baka balik tayo. lang po siya, ano?
Ito yung naman ang dress mabuhay.
Mataling mo lang, Hindi, okay lang yan. Thank you po. Hihingi na kami ka para itatanim niya. May ano, may ba kami?
Swing with the ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast weather, the
May
sun
sanga na sila ng halaman
sets
sa
low.
garden.
Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Get the cues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bump beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. That baseline grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beach fronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night.
Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79. Built to outlast. Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass line up. We the cues to moonlit tides, we shine bright on this retro ride that defines our life. Ooh yeah.
Baliktad ko lang.
Yeah, the sun's sinking low. Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Feel that sunshine and let the baseline flow. West Coast breeze got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick tick of
Ito
the
na yung ano,
clock.
ito na yung
Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Late night
tsaka may
lights,
paakyatin pa
city
doon, ah.
shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends are told.
Wag mo naman, pinansin naman naman yung tindahan nila yung blue. Akala mo naman bahay lang.
Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the baseline flow. West Coast groove, got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat, feel the beat.
bright. Baila conmigo toda la night.
Hindi mo kilala yung mga
El ritmo suena. Can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high. Feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star. Baila, baila. En el mar, keep it going, no queda igual.
Tapos paglabas mo, magbabayad ka muna sa taas. Di ba gano'n dito? Wala rin hindi nakatulad sa SSR na may tao doon. Kaya technology ngayon.
Luna
Oo
llena,
nga. Sa ano nga daw sa Singapore,
pies
Mabuti mo pa sasakay ng bus.
descalzos on the ground.
may papasukan ng ano mo doon. Oo, wala nang,
Boom, boom,
wala nang konduktor, ilalagay mo lang.
take me higher, feel the
Ito
zoom.
talaga at wala ding suklian.
Break it down, feel this way. Cerca de mí, don't run away. And bold beats, let's ignite. Dance with me through the night.
Pwede ka mo. May sariling card na ngayon.
Sin parar, shake your body, shine like star.
Tapos lalakad tayo pabalik doon sa kanina.
En el mar, keep it going, no queda igual.
Sana, ilagay na lang natin ito dito na lang sa ano.
Iwan niya na lang. Dito may sa gilid. May ilagay yun.
Ah, meron.
Ito isa.
Ah, sige, sige.
Yung sa gilid mo.
Binigay mo yung drinks mo?
Bumalik ka kasi.
Papasikpuhan.
Tingnan mo, mag-parking ka dito sa ano.
Ayan, ano kami ngayon? Tropang galakad talaga.
With the
Ayun,
ocean
kanina pa
as
kami
my
nagalahin.
guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast weather, the sun sets slow. Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave 'em shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Hey yo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night.
Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79. We're built to outlast. Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop.